Now, today we are going to start unit number 2. Before starting the unit number 2, first we need to learn these rules. Okay, these rules will help us to solve the questions. Okay, for any rational number a upon b and integers m and n, we have what we have a upon b power n into a upon b power n. Your bases are same and these are the powers. When bases are same, there is a multiplication sign between them. So the power will be added. So here power, we are adding the power m and n. So m plus n, a upon b, the number will come as it is only one time. Keep remember. And for example, with the help of this example, you are able to understand. How can we do it? Suppose we have given 3 upon 4 power 5 into 3 upon 4 power 2. We have bases are same, so we can add this power. We have written here 3 upon 4 power 5 plus 2. When you add 5 into 3, you get 7. 3 upon 4 upon 7. After it, you want to simplify, so you can simplify to get the required answer. This is the exponential form. Okay. Now, second number a upon b power m division sign a upon b power n. Okay, there is a division sign and bases are same. So power will be subtracted. So here we are subtracting this power from this where m is the greater than n. Okay, keep remember. A upon b m minus n. With the help of this example, you will be able to understand. 1 upon 2 power 6 division 1 upon 2 power 2. Here bases are same. There is a division sign. Power will we can subtract 2 from 6. So we can write here 1 upon 2, bracket close, 6 minus 2. When you subtract this 2 from 6, so what you get? 1 upon 2 power 4. This is your answer. Also, you can simplify. Here, E upon B bracket power M and the big bracket power N. There is such a number, the power having in a bracket and outside of the bracket. In that case, you can multiply the power. Keep remember. Multiply the power. No need to add. Here we have to multiply because one power is the inside the bracket and other power is the outside of the bracket. In that case, the power will be multiplied each other. Okay. Here a upon b become as it is and the power m into n. M into n. Look at the number. 5 upon 6 power 4 and outside of the bracket power 3. So these two power will be multiplied. 5 upon 6 will come as it is and 4 into 3. So what we get here? 12. So 5 upon 6 power 12. This is our answer. Now next rule. A upon b power minus m. If any rational number having negative power and we want to make it positive, it is very simple. You can write the reciprocal of a upon b. A upon b becomes b upon a. We can write b upon a or this negative power becomes positive. This example tells us 8 upon 9 power minus 3. So we can write the reciprocal of 8 upon 9. What is the reciprocal of 8 upon 9? 9 upon 8. This minus power 3 become plus 3. 5 upon 6 power minus 1 is equal to 5 upon 6 becomes 6 upon 5. So negative power become positive 1. Also you write 6 upon 5 power 1 means what? 6 upon 5. Is that clear? Here any non-zero number. Okay, keep remember non-zero rational number power 0. In that case we get 1. Okay, this is non-zero number. Keep remember this. So 9 upon 11 power 0. So what you get here? 1. If there is negative sign also, so also you get plus 1 only. Suppose if I am writing here minus 1, minus 9 upon 11, 0. Here in this case also you get 1. So 1, this is very important to minus 1 power even. If there is a negative sign, power even, so you get plus sign here, plus 1. Here is a 1, so we are getting a plus 1. If any other number is there, suppose here, look here, this example, minus 1 raised to the power 4 is equal to plus 1. When you write minus 1 4 times, so what you get here? Plus 1. Here minus 2 to the power 2 with the minus 2 power 2. So how many times you write minus 2? 2 times. Minus 2 into minus 2. So minus minus become plus. Here plus and 2 to the 4. This is your answer. Power is even. That's why we are getting the plus sign. If there is a negative sign and power is odd number, in that case you get negative sign. Look here. Minus 1 power 7. So you get minus 1 because power is odd. In this case minus 2 power 3. Power is odd. So minus 2 we will write 3 times. Minus 2 into minus 2 into minus 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 plus plus minus minus. So you are getting a minus sign. 2 to the 4, 4 to the 8, minus 8. Okay, this rule you have to keep in your mind. Okay. Now, question number first. Express in power notation. How will you write this number in power notation? It is very simple. How many times minus 2 upon 7 written? 3 times. 1 time, 2 times, 3 times. So we can write here minus 2 upon 7 power 3. Now next number. P upon Q, P upon Q, P upon Q, P upon Q. How many times this number is written? 4 times. So we can write here. This is the same number. That's why we are writing here P upon Q power 4. This is called the power notation of P upon Q. Now next number. Here this number also we have to represent in power notation. How will you represent this rational number in power notation? Okay. It is very simple. We can factorize both numerator and denominator. If you find the factors of add, what we find here? 8, 2 4 2 2 and 2 1. How many times we are getting? 2 into 2 into 2. And here 27, 327, 3 3 9, 3 1 3. In place of add, what we can write here? 2 into 2 into 2. So we can write here 2 into 2 into 2. And in place of 27, what we can write? 3 into 3 into 3. 3 into 3 into 3. So what is the power notation? 2 is coming 3 times. 3 is also coming 3 times. So we can write here 2 upon 3 power 3. There is a negative sign also. So we have to put minus, minus, minus. Here also like to be minus. Because here number of terms, how many times? 1, 2, 3. Odd number. Odd number times we are getting a negative. Okay. That's why we have placed minus sign. Power 3 and here power 3. This is our power notation of minus 8 upon 27. Now we next 16 upon 25. Here, as you know that 16 is the square of 4. So direct when you find the factor, so we can write here 4 into 4. And here we can write 5 into 5. So how you can get 4? You are getting 2 times. 5 also you are getting 5. We can write 4 upon 5 power 2. Is it clear? Now, question number second. Express as a rational number. This number we have to represent as a rational number. Just like this we have to write. Okay. We are going to power notation. We want to write as a rational number. Here in this case, we are going to rational number and we want to write as a power notation. Just opposite of it. Minus 2 upon 5 power 2. So how many times we will write minus 2 upon 5? 2 times. 2 upon 5 into minus 2 upon 5. Now you can multiply numerator by numerator. Minus minus become plus. And 2 2 is 4. So we can write here 4. And 5 5 is 25. So we can write here 5 is 25. This is our required answer on this. 1 upon 3 power 4. So how many times we write 1 upon 3 power 4? 4 times. So we write here 1 upon 3 into 1 upon 3 into 1 upon 3 into 1 upon 3. Now you multiply numerator. 1 means 1, 2 is 1, 1 means 1, so you get 1. Now you multiply 3. 3 3 is 9, 9 3 is 27, 27 3 is 81. This is your required answer. Now evaluate. Question number third, evaluate. Evaluate means what? We have to find out the value of this. Now here, I want to make you clear the power is negative. Okay. Power is negative, so first we have to make its power positive. With the help of law of exponent, we can write here 3 upon 7 and be written is 7 upon 3 power 2. Negative power become positive. If we write the reciprocal of 3 upon 7, become 7 upon 3. By which formula? I am writing that formula which I showed you. A upon B power minus M is equal to A B upon A. B upon A power N. This rule we are using. Don't forget to write this rule here. Okay. So 7 upon 3 power 2. Now this number can be written how many times? 2 times. So 7 upon 3 into 7 upon 3. Now you multiply numerator by numerator, denominator by denominator. 7 7 is 49. And here 3 3 is 9. Got it? Now here also we have to simplify. Yeah, evaluate, we have to find out the value. 5 upon 9 power 1 can be written only one time. 5 upon 9 into 5 upon 9 power minus 1. Thus we will use this formula. 5 upon 9 becomes 9 upon 5 power 1. We can write here power 1. Then next step we can write here 5 upon 9 into 9 upon 5. Now in this case you can cancel numerator by denominator and okay. This 5 and 5 coming in the same table, this 9 and 9 also coming in the same table, so this both can be cancelled. 5 bin the 5, 5 bin the 5, 9 bin the 1, 9, 9 bin the 9. Now 1 into 1, so what we get here? 1. So 1 into 1, 1 is equal to 1. This 1 divided by 1, we get 1. This is our required answer. Got it? No, simplify. We have to simplify. First, you have to simplify. Can we use any laws of exponent? No, we cannot use because here bases are not same. Okay, so we cannot use it. We have to simplify. How to simplify? Here, minus 4 power 2, so we have to write minus 4 how many times? 2 times. Minus 4 into minus 4 into this into minus 1 upon 4 power 2, then this also we have to write 2 times. Minus 1 upon 4 into minus 1 upon 4. As you know that in numerator and denominator can be cancel each other because they are coming in the same table, so we can cancel 4 1 ja 4, 4 1 ja 4. This 4 and this 4 also can be cancelled. 4 1 ja 4, 4 1 ja 4. Okay. Now here minus 1, minus 1, minus 1, minus 1. What will left here? There are many students, they are not able to understand. That's why I am writing here 4 times. Minus 1 into minus 1 into minus 1 into minus 1. Upon 1 into 1, we get 1. That's why I am not writing. If we want to write, we can write here. What do we get here? 1 1 ja 1, 1. 1 ja 1, 1. What do we get here? Answer 1. Got it? Now here, minus 9 upon 7 power 3 divided by 3 power 0. So here we use the rule. What is the rule? Which rule we are going to use here? Put place the sign. Minus 9 upon 7 power 3 as it is. Any number having power 0. So what we get here? 1. What we get here? 1. So this number divided by 1. So what we get here? Number itself. So we can write here minus 9 upon 7 power 3. If you want to simplify it, so you can simplify, and this rule which rule we use here? A to power 0 means what? 1. This rule you have to keep in your mind. A upon b power 0 is equal to 1. This rule we use here. So minus 9 upon 7 power 3. So how many times you can write here? Minus 9 into minus 9 upon 7 into minus 9 upon 7. Now you can multiply. 9 9 ja 81. You can multiply 81. 81 multiply by 9. So 9 1 ja 9. 9 9 ja 72. 729. You can write here minus 729. 7 7 ja 49. 49 multiply 7. You get 343. 7 9 ja 63. 6 7 4 ja 20. 34. 343. We can write here 343. This is your required answer. Now here also we have to use the formula. A upon b power 0 is equal to 1. So here in place of this, what can be write here? 1. And this negative power can be converted in positive. So we need to write the reciprocal of minus 3 upon 4. We can write here minus 3 upon 4 can be written in minus 4 upon 3 power 4. And in place, we can write 1. By using which formula? We can write here by using which formula here? First we are using A upon B power minus M is equal to B upon A power plus M. And here A upon B power 0 is equal to 1. These two rule we are using. Okay. This rule we are using here. We can write here 1. Now minus 4 upon 3 power 4. So how many times you write this 4 upon 3? 4 times. So we can write here minus 4 upon 3 into minus 4 upon 3 into minus 4 upon 3 into minus 4 upon 3. So you can multiply. Then you multiply 4 4 the 16, 4 4 the 16 at 16. 16 ja 256 plus minus minus plus plus minus 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 plus. Here we get 256. Near denominator 3 3 is 9, 9 3 is 27, 27 3 is 81. This is your required answer. Now in this question, 1 upon 3 power 3 into 3 upon 2 power minus 2. This 1 upon 3 power 3 will come as it is. No, this negative power can be converted in positive with the help of this rule. Okay, this 3 upon 2 can be written 2 upon 3 power 2. Now You can simplify 1 upon 3, we can be written. Can be written how many times? 3 times. 1 upon 3 into 1 upon 3 into 1 upon 3. And 2 upon 3 can be written how many times? 2 times. So 2 upon 3, 2 upon 3. Okay. Here there is no number which we can cancel numerator by denominator. Simply we have to multiply. 2 2 is 4, 4 1 is 4, 1 is 4. We can write here 4. Here 3 3 is 9, 9 3 is 27, 27 3 is 81, and 81 3 is 243. We can write here 243. This is our required answer. Got it?